Morning everybody, welcome to my kitchen. So this little video that I'm going to do here is not actually on what I'm going to make, but how to set up to do a video. So this video here is going to be on some bath melts and some shower steamers. So I've got all my things out. If you don't have everything ready and in order when you're about to do a video, like it's just going to go to turn to crap on you. So I make sure I'm really organised, that my work area is clean. I go over the recipe, make sure everything out that I've got everything out that I need. So, and then I have over here, okay, my battery just went flat in the middle of that. So over here I have all my boxes, and each box is organised. So I have all my containers in one box. Over here is all my soap moulds and the moulds for my melts and things like that. They're all in one box. I don't have to sort through 500 different things. Here I have my soap. This looks like a little bit of a disorganised chaos, but it's not really. I'm just got everything set up to do my videos. So these are the different boxes I have. So in each box it's coordinated for whatever I'm doing. Okay, this is another room that looks a little bit like chaos, but it's not really. This is where I do all my resin projects. So I've got everything that I need. All my shelving's organised. So when I'm going to make whatever I'm going to create, I sit down, I make sure that I have all the things out that I'm going to need. I now have a chair. I can get off. So see, chair now. I've been sitting on that stool for years. So I have everything I need. I work near the window, which is a rather large window, as you can see. I can open it, so I've got plenty of airflow. I've got light coming in. So then I have shelves where I've got, these are all my fragrances, so you can see they're all together, and believe it or not, there's a little bit of alphabetical order to it, so that when I want to, you know, find something like Lang Vanilla, I can know which shelf it's going to be on, so I'm not sorting through 40 different fragrances. Plus there is some other stuff up there as well for diffusers and things like that. So this little table here, I know looks like disorganised, but it's not, it's really organised. Then I have a cupboard which has all my moulds in it. So as you can see, there's all different ones, same on that side. There's a little bit of how you go on the top shelf, because they're all the bigger moulds, and I was running out of space. But I have everything labelled, so I know which box I've got to go to. Okay, don't worry about all that mess sitting on top of that box, that's normally not there. But it is for the moment until I sort it out. There were some things that were given to me, not the new moulds on the top. So as you can see, every little bit of space here is taken. This is a tiny little room. I think it's 3x3 or something like that. It's not very big, trust me. So every bit of shelf space is taken up, but it is organised. In my kitchen, and so you have some notes, like I've got a recipe here for this one, obviously made out, but if I'm doing something else that I haven't done before, I scribble down some notes. I have a calculator next to me, I have a pen, so I know where I'm going forward. I have a clear mind on what I'm going to make. So this is what you need to, so there's thousands of videos out there on how you upload and how you shouldn't click on this and how you shouldn't click on that. You should turn this off and you should turn that on. Oh my God, there's thousands of them, and some of them, trust me, they are not correct. I got caught with one once before, and yeah, anyway, that's another story. So you can see I'm about to start to make a video, but I'm organised, I'm ready to go. You will need some sort of setup for your camera. So here I have a tripod, and I actually use a Canon camera. That's an ESO camera that I've had for ages and ages, never used it, and then I decided to do YouTube videos, and look out, here we go. So it come out, I'm still not real good on it, but anyway, I'm trying. So I hope this helps you on organising yourself to set up, to make a video, to upload to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, whatever you're doing for your website. All of this, think about it, organise yourself. Bye for now, guys. Thumbs up if you like this, that's good. Thank you, bye.